Well, hello darlings. I'm already made up, looking glorious. Second little number going on here. For this video, I'm going to put some pictures of my good friend Mandy up, whom I just did a makeover for. I'd like to think that she was incredibly pleased with the results. She indicated that she did, so I can only go by that. And it was an absolute pleasure doing her makeup and taking some pictures and sitting down, doing some makeup lesson with her and just enjoying the day. Absolutely fantastic results. So at the end you'll get to see some pictures of Mandy and please give me some feedback. Please remember I am a specialist in doing makeup techniques for older trans women. Obviously it's very easy to do your makeup when you're young and pretty. It's a no-brainer really. You're young, you're pretty, your skin's generally in a better condition. Obviously that's not always the case, but as you get older it becomes harder, and I'm definitely older than I'd like to be, so I have to try a lot harder with my makeup nowadays than I've ever done before in my life. And I'd like to, I can pass that knowledge and technique on to others. So please give me a call if you'd like to make a booking. My fees are very reasonable, and hopefully we can learn something together. So, speak to you soon.